Okay, we are at number 2 now, 6.1D, number 2. So before I begin, let's review some info about properties in a circle. So far we are at number 1. That is, if we have an arc of AB, A and B, okay, from A to B, and A to B goes to Q, BA goes to Q, B also go to Q, we have angle here. Whatever is the value of the angle, and AB goes to P, so let's say the angle here is 40 degree, the value here is also 40 degree. So let me review a little bit more. Angle created by the arc of AB, let's say here is 40 degree. So B and A meet somewhere else, so that is also 40 degree. Okay, now look at number 2. In the diagram on the right, chord QW equals to RW. Given that angle QWR, just like the one given, okay, this is 40 degree, and the WRT is 35 degree. Determine the value of angle QSR, WQT, WRQ, and QRT. Alright, so even before we look at the question, why don't you just write down all the values that you know according to this rule? Okay, so it might have answered the question or it might not. It's okay. Okay, so from Q and R it goes to W, Q and R also goes to P, so the P will be 40 degree. QTR is also 40 degree. QSR is also 40 degrees. And then there is angle of 35 here, is W. Okay, how to look at it? WQT is 35 degree. So if we have W and something and T at the end, it will be 35 degree also. So WRT, WQT. So this part, only this part is 35 degree. Okay, is there anything else that we can find according to this rule? Maybe not. Okay, so now I'm looking at the question. So A is, what is the angle for QSR? QSR. Oh, actually we have got it. Okay, so it's 40 degree. B, WQT. WQT, where is, oh, actually WQT. Oh, just now this is actually WRT, this is WQT. Okay, so this is also given, basically given by us doing whatever that we know, or sketch whatsoever inside here, so we can find the value. And C, W angle W Q T W Q, oh sorry, this is not C, this is B. C is what? WRQ, angle WRQ, WRQ. Okay, for this one, there is no direct relation to this knowledge. So we might need to have whatever that we have learned so far in Form 1 and Form 2. So the knowledge is this. The info is QW equals RW. QW, the length of QW is the same length with RW. So let me show you another of this board. Okay, so if the length, if they have different chord. Okay, now A and B goes to Q, goes to P, they have the same chord, so the value is the same. So what happens if RS is only half of this? RS is only half of this, so the angle will be half of that. Okay, so if RS is the same length of AB, so the angle is also have the same value. Okay, so since QW equals to RW, so the angle created by QW, which is this one, I would label that as X, is the same with the angle created by RW. So the angle will be all the three parts here. Okay, make sure that you know this three parts, this is two parts. Okay, so this is totally not related to this. Okay, so what I will do is in order to explain that, so I will draw the triangle. Q, R, W, and here is 40 degree. Okay. Since QW is equals to arc RW, the straight line QW is equal to the straight line RW. So it means these are isosceles triangle. So this is X, this is X. So we want to find the angle at Q or at R. So how to find that? It's just that X is 180 minus 40, then divide by 2. You get 70 degrees. Okay, so 70 here and 70 there. And D, angle QRT, angle QRT, QRT. Okay, this is easy. Even though it's no longer related to that one, it's just a QRT is X and the 35 degree. So since we know X is 70, so 70 plus 35, so the value is 105 degrees. Okay, so if for your info, when I first look at these questions on the C, it's not that easy. You have to really analyze it. Okay, so I did not come to this conclusion just a mere blink. Okay, So I've done it before in a piece of paper, and it took me 2 minutes before I can figure out about this. Right? So sometimes it is disguised. Right?